Lust isn't your problem. Lack of control is. You don't just randomly fall into it. It happens when you're bored, when you're alone, when you have nothing better to focus on. And in that moment, your brain looks for the easiest reward. Something fast, something effortless, something that feels good right now. And that's where lust takes over. Not because you're weak, but because it's easy. You tell yourself it's normal, that everyone does it, that it's not a big deal. But what you don't realize is, every time you give in, you're training your mind to choose short-term pleasure over control. And over time, that becomes your default. So the question isn't, how do I stop it? The real question is, what replaces it? Because you can't just remove something without filling the space. If your life is empty, lust will always come back. So you need structure, you need direction, you need something that actually demands your energy. Train your body. Focus on building something. Stay busy with things that require effort, not because it's good for you, but because it leaves no space for distraction. And here's the part most people ignore. Lust is strongest when your standards are low, when you don't respect your time, your focus, or yourself. So raising your standards changes everything. You stop chasing quick pleasure and start protecting your energy. Because at the end of the day, this isn't about desire, it's about discipline.